In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out in Smartsheet using various methods. Whether you're working on a PC with Windows or on a Mac, I'll guide you through the steps to give you a clearer view of your entire sheet, making your work more efficient and comfortable. First, let's talk about a quick and easy way you can adjust the zoom using your browser's built-in zoom controls. If you're using Windows, you'll simply need to press the Control key along with the minus key on your keyboard. This combination will decrease the zoom level, allowing you to see more of your Smartsheet without changing any specific settings within the application itself. Now for those of you on a Mac, you'll be using a slightly different key combination. Instead of Control, you'll hold down the Command key and then press the minus key. Just like on Windows, this will reduce the zoom level of your browser window, giving you a broader view of your Smartsheet. If shortcuts aren't your thing or you prefer a more visual method, you can also adjust the zoom through your browser's menu. This is a great option if you're someone who likes to see exactly what you're changing. To do this, locate the main menu in the upper right corner of your browser window. It usually looks like three small dots or lines stacked on top of each other. Click on this button to open the drop-down menu. Once the menu is open, keep an eye out for a section labeled Zoom. This is where you have manual control over your browser's scale settings. You'll notice plus and minus buttons that allow you to adjust the zoom in increments. To zoom out, simply click on the minus button. Each click will step down the zoom level just like the keyboard shortcuts do. Remember, changing the zoom setting here affects the whole browser window, so it's not limited to Smartsheet, it will apply to any site you have open. Using these methods gives you the flexibility to quickly adjust your view in Smartsheet, catering to different preferences and devices. By mastering these simple techniques, you can easily zoom out to see your entire document layout, or zoom in when you need to focus on details without losing any context. This is especially useful when managing large datasets or when collaborating with team members and you need to keep your eye on multiple sections at once. I hope you find this guide helpful for navigating and customizing your view in Smartsheet. Feel free to practice these techniques until you find the method that works best for you. Thanks for watching and happy Smartsheeting.